To port forward a Teamspeak server on Xfinity, start by accessing your router's settings. Open a web browser and type the router's IP address, which is usually 10.0.0.1 for Xfinity routers. Log in with your admin username and password, which can be found on the underside of your router or in the documentation that came with it. Once logged in, navigate to the Advanced Settings or Security section, where you will find the port forwarding settings. Click on Port Forwarding and then click Add New or Create New Rule. Here, you will need to enter the details of the Teamspeak server. The default port for Teamspeak is 9987, so enter 9987 in the port start and port end fields. In the protocol field, select UDP, as Teamspeak uses UDP for communication. In the IP address field, enter the IP address of the computer that is running the Teamspeak server. This IP address can be found by going to the command prompt on the computer and typing ipconfig. The IP address will be listed under IPv4 address. Give the rule a name, such as Teamspeak server, and click Apply or Save to save the changes. Repeat the process to open additional ports if required, such as port 30033 for file transfers. After saving the changes, restart your router to apply the new port forwarding rules. To test if the port forwarding is working, use an online port checker tool or have a friend try to connect to your Teamspeak server from outside your network. If you encounter any issues, ensure that the port forwarding rules are correctly configured and that the Teamspeak server is running and configured to use the correct ports. It is also important to note that Xfinity routers may have a feature called Advanced Security, which can block incoming traffic. If you are having trouble with port forwarding, try disabling Advanced Security or adding an exception for the Teamspeak server. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully port forward your Teamspeak server on Xfinity.